So yeah, this was done in acrylics, the moon. It's probably I think that's the biggest moon I've put on this size canvas as well. It's a massive moon. So yeah, looking forward to this one. So black gesso, white gesso, acrylic moon, and then that's all dry, and then I've applied a very, very thin coat of the liquid clear here. So that's all wet and slick and ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to start with, I've got some yellow, Indian yellow, some yellow ochre, some brown, some black and some white. Might add some more colours later, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of Indian yellow. I'm going to colour this moon in. So just a little bit here. Nice big moon. Oh yeah. I'm actually going to take it right off over into the back there on these black bits as well. It's only a very, very thin coat. It's mixed in with the liquid clear. And this is just the Indian yellow going on. Put this in here. Very effective, the moon, with the using acrylic. I'm just going to come down to about here. From what I've got planned, you probably won't see the whole of the moon, so there we go. That's a nice big moon there. I'm just going to try a touch of ochre. It's a bit of an experiment, just to see how this comes out here. Yeah, I think that's quite nice actually. I think I'm going to put a bit of ochre just around the edge of this. Blend that out there. So, just a bit of ochre going around the side. Bit of an experiment. More the edge sort of thing there. Okay, let's go with a little touch of brown as well. Again, this is a bit of an experiment, so I just want a bit of brown, because this is quite it's an opaque colour really, so just a bit of brown around there, mixing slight. There we go, look. So you've got actual 3 colours on there. Just a little bit of white and probably some yellow ochre, just a little bit on the brush. White, yellow ochre and a touch of brown as well. And I just want to make something up here, but I don't know, not too much. Just something in the background that we might see. And I'm going to just blend them off. Not too fussed around here because we won't see a lot of this. Just something, little wispy thing. Let's blend that out and see what happens. Let's just blend this out a little bit here. Bit here as well. Little blend. Okay, let's take. I'm going to do some little mountains. Okay, I'm going to take some white, some black. I want this to be quite a lightish colour. Something like this, like an ash grey or something like that. Okay, so I've got a little roll of paint there. If you're watching on YouTube, do say hello, hit the like button. Oh, please don't cover them in too much because I'd like this. Right, this one has gone. I'm going to start around this sort of area. And we're going to come down here. I'm going to cover some of that moon up because it will need to disappear. Just really covering that up because that's quite thick there. Pull this colour through, something like this, down to about there. We'll have a little bit there. Right, okay, let's go with some white here. I'm going to make a greyish colour, not completely white, like grey. I'll have to do some more walls. I've done quite a few walls though. Yeah. Right, just some little things here then. I want this to be quite sort of distant and there we go. grab a little bit of the, just slightly over the moon here, and we'll come somewhere down there. Just a little bit of something down there, and we're going to go straight into the white here. Obviously that colour down there is Indian yellow, so we're just going to come in here and just put a bit of white, and I think we'll have it coming off sort of this way. There. I'm going to lift up there because it's easier. We will come around to there, something like that. Let's just pull down here. So we're just turning this into water by going across this way too, just very lightly. There we go. And I'm going to do some very distant, I know we'll have a few distant little trees. Just peeking over the back there, they could be growing on top of little rocks or whatever. Just a few little trees we're going to have there. My script brush is splitting, so just a few little things here and there. Sort of, I am going for this sort of Oriental look, so we'll just see how this one turns out. Very, very light little tiny trees over here. Some here, big ones at the front. Black, I think, for this. We just have it come in all the way around here. Just some darker areas in there. Coming around. Here it comes. Look at the distance that creates. So we're coming towards us this time. Maybe a slight bend or something. Let's just go straight for now. Let's just pull this down here. All we want is a little bit of colour in there, like that. And we'll just blend that across. Just move that paint about a little bit there. Blend that in. Some things that you might see in the background. Maybe you can see some kind of trees or bushes down here. I'll just put some little things in there. Alright, lots of trees, because I want this to be the main focus of this one tonight. So let's do a big one. So it is going to go onto the moon, but just have a wiggle of the brush and just create all these little things. I don't know where this one's coming from, but we'll sort of figure out that in a bit. Here we go. Down here, we're going to take this all the way down. Somewhere to about here. Okay, lots and lots of little branches now. This one could be coming out of this tree. I'm trying to shake my hand. If you had a shaky hand, it'd be perfect for this. Just lots of little things going on down here. We'll have some over here too. I'm looking forward to putting the colour on this. There, just doing the main sort of branches on these ones. I'll come back with a little script brush in a moment. Other little things on here. look how bright that is. There we go. So I'm going to actually split this in two parts. I hope I've got enough paint here. I should have. I'm going to take a part just here and put it over here. I'm going to add some black into that. There's like a dark red to begin with. Something like this. So I've got dark red. So basically I'm going to put an undertone and then top tones on top. That's the idea anyway. We'll see how that works out for this. So this would be undertones. Being very gentle here. Yeah, when I put this dark red against here, it's not going to show too much, but down here, like I said, I'm going to cover quite a bit at the bottom of the moon, but not too much. And that's basically it. I hope that's okay, June. We're going to put some more down here, and it'd be nice just to have a little overhang on that river there. Thanks, June. Yeah, this is 8 in a row, guys. That's insane. Thank you, June. We're going to put some brighter colour on this now. Like it could be. Just as something there. Just be brave here. See how this goes on. Can you see the difference in that? It's quite a lot brighter. Little overhangs and stuff there. It really help over here as well, actually. There you go. I'm just using the fan brush, like I did use the. So that's actually got some yellow and orange. Sorry, red and orange in that one. Just a little bit over there. I really do enjoy me Oriental stuff. That should stick a little bit more better now. There. Share. A very, very light fan brush. It's a lot lighter than the normal ones with the bristles that I'm using here. But yeah, you can get brushes sometimes and you think, oh, it's not quite right, but then after a amount of time you really do get used to the kind of brushes that you personally want to use. Just put colour. There's some little areas down here. Just some little things growing. I don't think we've ever had that name either, so it's good. This is 30 by 40 centimetre, and it's oil paints, of course. And this is number 623, the 20th of the 1st, 26. Here's the signature, and that's all done. There is 623. Like I said, you can get a print of this one at the website by typing in 623. You have to do like I was thinking maybe a red moon. We'll do a red moon sometime and stuff like that. That would be nice. June, thank you for grabbing this one. And there you go. Beautiful.